Hey there, parents, teachers, and anyone who cares about a child's education. Are you tired of watching young minds struggle with reading, desperately searching for resources that actually work? I know I am. You see, there's a problem plaguing our classrooms and homes. It's the lack of engaging reading materials that cater to the unique needs of our kids. The existing solutions? Well, let's just say they're about as helpful as a broken pencil. But here's the thing, my friends. We can change the game. We can provide the best for our children and make reading a thrilling adventure, not a tedious chore. Introducing our children's ebook PLR, a treasure trove of captivating stories, interactive content, and learning resources that will ignite a passion for reading in your young ones like never before. Imagine the joy on their faces as they dive into stories that come to life, sparking their imagination and curiosity. And here's the best part, folks. You don't need to be a tech genius to use our ebooks. They're super easy to access and implement. Just a few clicks away, and you'll have a library of educational wonders at your fingertips. But it's not just about the ebooks. It's about the journey we'll embark on together. We're not just offering you a product, we're offering you a revolution in learning. So what's the deal? Click the link below to unlock a world of endless possibilities. You'll gain instant access to our exclusive training program that'll show you how to make the most of our ebooks and create an enriching reading environment. Join us on this incredible journey to empower our young readers, to ensure they not only read, but fall in love with the magical world of words. Together, we can turn struggling readers into voracious bookworms, and we can make sure every child's educational journey is filled with joy, wonder, and success. Thank you for joining us on this mission. Let's write a brighter, more literate future for our children. Click the link below now and be part of the reading revolution. Get started today and watch your children's love for reading soar to new heights. Don't miss out. Click the link and let's transform reading into an unforgettable adventure.